see Cody? Alright, so we woke up this morning in the shelter back there at Goose Pond. And Motorcycle Mama gave us pancakes this morning. I had some tea. And it was good. We enjoyed our pancakes. Now we gotta hike 0.5 to get away from here to get back on trail. So that's what we're doing now. Alright, wish us luck. Talk to you in a few. Bye. So we're getting back on trail. We have 0.5 from Goose Pond. We just had pancakes with Motorcycle Mama. She gave us pancakes. And now we're getting back on track. Today is June 3rd. Tuesday. We have, I think, 4 more days to go. And then we'll be there. Hopefully. At the end. 4, 5. 4 more days. Huh? What? I don't know. What'd you do with it? You have it? Near the site on the shore of the Upper Goose Pond stood the Mohawken Club. I'm saying that right. The club was incorporated in 1909 and for 72 years served to pride its membership with good fellowship and fond memories. In 1981, the club conveyed its lands to the National Park Service and provided the Appalachian Mountain Club with the gift to ensure that these lands would remain wilderness reserved. July 24, 1982. Cody left me over an hour ago and hasn't stopped to wait for his mom, so I figured I'd just record and not care. So this is a bridge that I'm crossing over. Seems to be a little waterfall over there, maybe. Pretty serene. Not having a great day. I have a lot of emotions today. But I'm trying to make the best of it. Alright, I'll sign on later. Bye. We just came out to this beautiful scenery. This mountain. It's very pretty. Cody's going over the bridge. Mine too. Earlier it got stuck. This nasty water. But we're heading on. I hear a street up ahead. These are pretty little blue flowers.
Wow, this is pretty. Oh my god. No, my phone.
Where are they? I can't see them. I hate that I can't focus on something that's down below. Oh well, they're in there somewhere.
What?
The pretty little blue flowers.
Oh, right here.
Wait. Wait, you said double kick? It won't go back.
Like this. You gotta...
Oh, that one. Oh, I thought it was a screen. Oh, there we go. There's the pretty blue flowers.
Very pretty.
Oh, look at the scenery, though.
Very pretty over there.
Finally, we see something pretty.
Oh my god.
The last 2 days have been
Just basically nothing.
Ew.
Very brown.
So, one person said it's the leaves. I don't think this water's the leaves, but they said the leaves is what makes it brown. Off the streams.
Yep. People moving all the way down there.
Oh, we got people ahead. We've seen a lot of hikers today, which is not what we've seen in the last couple days.
I think it's because it's so hot.
We stayed with a lot of nice people. We're just doing it. We're trying to get another 8.8 and then decide if we're going to head on to the shelter that we're supposed to be at, which is like another 5-6 miles from there. We're hoping we can, but If we don't, at least we're proud of what we're doing. I'm taking it for what it is. It's not easy, by no means. It's very challenging going up these mountains. And I think we're about to go up that one, which I think someone had mentioned it earlier at the camp that we were at. Goose Pond campgrounds. Biker mama. Motorcycle mama makes you pancakes in the morning. Yep, alright. As Cody says, peace.
Coming up on a bench. Look at that. It's pretty. It is very hot over here though. There's a cemetery all the way down there. Let me see.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful though. Should I Marco Polo it if I have?
If you have internet, then yeah. Let's zoom in. It's very pretty. Wow. Very dimmer. Woo! Alright. We're doing it. The next road we'll hit is Jerusalem. We did hit a stand not too long ago on Jerusalem, but we're going to the other side of Jerusalem now.
2.7 miles.
Yeah, so if you do hit that stand, very good. We got soda, ice cream, what else? Ices.
They had Gatorade.
They had Gatorade, Powerade.
Vitamin water.
They did have vitamin
Juice.
water. Apparently they have
Milk.
chips, but I think all the other hikers already took all the chips, so
No chips.
no chips, no snacks, but we got a little munching on something at least.
You can pay cash or Venmo.
Yeah, cash or Venmo. You have to pay.
Oh, and you have free Wi-Fi there.
Free Wi-Fi. I didn't get the free Wi-Fi, but my mom did, so free Wi-Fi. It's a very nice place to stay.
They have a picnic table.
I got my net on.
They have a picnic table.
Let's see. Oh yeah, they did have a picnic table. Down. No. No, I
wonder if you
don't
could
want
see
it
from
on
here.
me.
Can you see it from here? No.
Okay, we'll flip it. Flip the camera. Let's zoom out.
We're having fun.
Yes.
Oh, there's a dragonfly. Pretty.
I have seen a lot of dragonflies on the trail. We saw two, what did we see? 3 newts or 2 newts? I think it was 2.
I've seen 3.
She said 3.
I saw 3. You might have saw 2.
I only saw 2. And I picked one up. I think we have video of that. But yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. This wasn't bad. Nice little bench to look out.
There's a lot of switchbacks.
Yes, up this mountain is a lot of switchbacks, so it is a little bit longer. Technically like 2 miles, when up the road it was, what we saw, 1.
It's 2.7, but the road is 1.7 if you take the road to the other side. That's cheating.
It is cheating, so we did not do that. Even though I really wanted to. But it's okay.
Yes.
We're doing it.
Yes. We should take a picture.
Yes, I will take a photo of you. Alright, peace.
So, we decided yesterday that we needed to get off trail due to the fact that we were getting bit up by mosquitoes. This is our messy room. There's Cody.
Bye.
And then we also decided to take a 0 because unfortunately we are super tired. So we got our DEET. We got our DEET off and we're just chilling today. We are about to go bowling. I know, crazy. Cody bought himself a sweater in town. He says he's gonna hike it out.
Yes.
I think he's crazy, but hey, to each their own. We did fill up our water bottles. We did have pizza yesterday and pasta. We ate. It felt good to eat food, real food. But now we're gonna go bowling and then we're gonna head back over to where the food store is, go get dinner. We didn't really eat lunch because we ate breakfast at a place across the street. But we're ready.
Yes, ma'am.
We are ready to do this. We did get a phone number of a guy named Joe who does pick up hikers, so he's gonna come pick us up tomorrow at 8. It's a little later than we wanted to be on trail, but you gotta do what you gotta do to save money. So he is a trail angel that picks up hikers along the trail over here in Massachusetts and then takes them back on the trail. So we are grateful for Joe to come pick us up tomorrow and drop us back where we got off. Where did we get off at? You had the name.
Blue.
Let's see. No, it wasn't Blue. It was something else. Let's see. Let me flip it. We got off at Lake
Bull Road.
Bull Road. We'll get back on and hopefully we can do more miles to get closer. We've already done 68.2 miles, so I'm proud of us. We did over 20 something miles yesterday. It was a killer. We were getting so bit up that we were like, we have to pass where we're supposed to stop, because if we didn't, we would have gotten eaten alive. So on that note, we had to get off trail. So we're gonna clean up tomorrow and get back on. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Peace.
I can get you in. Okay, this morning we ate at Marketplace. Cody had pancakes. I had an omelet. It was yummy. Okay, this town has a Goodwill, which if I guess you needed new clothes, you might be able to find something there. Maybe. Right, Cody?
Maybe. Never know.
So we walked from our hotel over here, which was not far, to the bowling lanes. Thank you, first responders. We are at Great Barrington, right?
Yes, Great Barrington.
Great Barrington. And we're gonna go bowl today. You think we were tired? I guess it's not a real zero.
No.
Let's go do this. Let's see who wins who, even though we're so sore. Alright, see you in a few. Peace. Cody's putting our names in. Let's do this. He's gonna get his butt whooped, just like my birthday. It's going down. Alright, Cody's first one. He got 9. And he did not get a spare. Did not. But these pins are so much better than the other ones on strings because
they're all stuck to the strings.
It sucked the last time.
All stuck to the strings. Alright, alright, alright. Whoosh.
Come on. I need a heavier ball though.
Alright, she just got a spare, but now she's just hit a gutter ball. Whoosh. Right into the middle. Damn! Spared it up anyways. God damn. Alright, let's get a little good view of the score. Oh. Ah. Spare. Bam. She is doing amazing. God damn. Not me.
Alright, Cody. Cody's going in. Let's see what he does. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Alright, you gotta spare it now. Come on. What did he get? He got 7. He's gotta get the 1, 2, and 8. Come on, Cody. Good job.
Just like that.
Wait. Just like that? Just like that?
Just like that.
You're all
Just
over.
like that.
I can't get you. Let's go, Cody. Let's go. Let's go, Cody. Let's go. AKA Domo. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad.
Am I winning?
You got 7.
Oh, Grandpa's calling.
Mom beat Cody
exactly what I do
3 times. 91, 111, 102. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Cody didn't win.
How did I know though? You were like